Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla and today we'll start question number 6 of exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 data handling of class 7. So here let's see in question number 6 what is saying in the book in statement. In this statement he is asking here, take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter table 3.1. So after that plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. So what is saying here? In the beginning of this chapter, see in this chapter this one data is given to you. This is the temperature of different cities and this is the maximum temperature and this is the minimum temperature, and we have to draw their double bar graph. See what is saying here? This is representing cities like Ahmedabad. Then Ahmedabad is having maximum temperature as 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Then same here in Amritsar the maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Then same here in Bangalore the maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Then Chennai the maximum temperature is 36 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Then in Delhi the maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Then in Jaipur the maximum temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Then same here in Jammu the maximum temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. And then the last in Mumbai the maximum temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and we have to represent their temperatures, the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of different cities on a double bar graph. So let's start this part and then we'll give the answer to the following questions here. So see what is saying here. I have drawn this double bar graph already and I will explain to you that how we have done. See here, this one horizontal line is representing the cities, the different cities whose temperature we are going to explain, mention here, and this one is representing the temperature. As we know that according to this the maximum temperature and minimum temperature we have to represent here. So I have taken the 10 units gap here. So it means to say here 1 centimeter is representing 10 degrees Celsius. Fine. And this one green bars are representing the maximum temperature and these orange bars are representing the minimum temperature. So see here this one, first one, these two bars are representing the temperature maximum and minimum of Ahmedabad and these are representing the temperature maximum and minimum of Amritsar, and these two bar graphs are representing Bangalore, these are representing Chennai, and these are representing Delhi, and these are representing Jaipur, and this is Jammu, and these are representing Mumbai's temperature. Just again I am repeating one thing, the green bars are representing maximum temperature and orange bars are representing minimum temperature here. So see here after representing, as you know that how to represent, again see as I have to represent 38 degrees Celsius, it means to say it will be between 30 and 40 and each box is here representing 1 centimeter. So it means to say it is 31, then 32, 33, 34, 35, then 36, 37, 38, so it is 38 degrees Celsius. So in this way you represent the bar of 38 degrees Celsius, and just remember one thing, these bars must be of same width and these gap must be same in between all the bars here, and these double bars are attached with each other and they are having no gap between them. Fine. Then to represent 29 degrees Celsius, again it is lying between 20 degree and 30 degree Celsius. So what we will do here, 29 is near to 30, and as you know that we are going to divide this one box into 10 equal boxes and each box is representing 1 centimeter. So after 20 it is 21, then 22, 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, and this is your 29 degrees Celsius. So in this way you can represent all the temperatures with the help of bars here. So let's start this answer. See what is asking here. In this is asking which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given data. So what is asking here, that we have to find out the which city has the largest difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. So you can see here the difference between the bars. So you can see here this one bar representing the maximum, that see the maximum difference between the bars. Yes, see the maximum and minimum, there is a lot of gap between them both. So it means to say here Jammu has the largest difference between in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given data. Same here. Then see next what we'll do here. See what is saying here. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Hottest city means to say now we'll check about the temperature. When the temperature is the maximum, that is the hottest. When the temperature is minimum, that is the coldest place here. Now you can see here, according to this, which is the hottest city. Hottest city means which is having the maximum temperature. Now you see this is 38, it is 37, 28, 36, 38, 39, 41, 32. This is the greatest number here according to these green bars. That means to say here, and this is of Jammu. So it means to say Jammu is the hottest place here. Then he is asking about the coldest. See, the other one is coldest place. Now what will do coldest means to say that bar, the orange bar, which is the smallest bar here. According to these bars, this is 21 degrees Celsius representing the coldest place. It means it is in Bangalore. So it shows that Bangalore is the coldest place here. So in this way you can find out the answer of the first part. Then second part also. Then see, next move to next part here. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was the less than the minimum temperature of the other. See what is asking here. Name two cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than, जो maximum temperature that is less than the minimum temperature of the other. So what we will see here, maximum temperature of Bangalore, see here it is 28, and here it is again you can see it is 28 is maximum, it is here minimum. So you can see here the maximum temperature of Bangalore is less than the minimum temperature of Jaipur. You can compare both. See, it is 28 and it is 29. It is here maximum temperature, but here it is minimum temperature. But according to comparison, we can see 29 is greater than 28. So it means to say here Bangalore and Jaipur both are these cities. Other one was saying here one more we have to find, because we have to give the number of two cities. So the one is again, see, I have taken Bangalore and Ahmedabad. See, in Bangalore what you say here, in Bangalore the maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, and Ahmedabad is 29. So again 28 and 29 is greater than 28, and this is the minimum temperature and this is the maximum temperature. So it means to say here both Bangalore and Ahmedabad are the answers of this one third part here. Then see next part. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. You can see here that you can see the bars, see the gaps here in both the bars. You can see here this is the least gap between the maximum and minimum. That shows that Mumbai is a city that is having the least difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature. So in this way you can find out your answer by observing this bar graph, and this way you can simplify this sum.